A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatu min lisani wa yafqahu qawli wa qul rabbi zidni ilman. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi Muhammad. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdina as-siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alayhim ghayril maghdubi 'alayhim waladdallin. Ameen. So this is another video about the topic of nafs. I just started this topic, and inshallah we will cover everything in the Quran and Hadith related to the nafs. We did 3 types of nafs. We did nafs-e-amara, nafs-e-lawama, and nafs-e-mutmaina. Unhappy soul, a struggling soul, and a satisfied soul. The famous scholar Dr. Israr, in one of his lectures, he mentions these nafses, and he says a very famous psychologist, Sigmund Freud, that the person of this nafs-e-amara, is in this id stage of the ego, if stage or id stage of the I think consciousness, or whatever the stages he categorizes. And nafs-e-lawama, he compares it, puts it in the category of ego stage. And nafs-e-mutmaina he puts in super ego. Now, if you say this, and he says, the scholar, Dr. Starr says that most of the people, they fall in this type of the nafs. So, and yesterday we discussed that the people of this nafs, they are weak faith people. They are pulled in both directions. They are pulled by the evil forces, negative forces, and they are pulled by they are attracted, not pulled, they are attracted by the positive people, nafs-e-mutmaina people. Now, what happens when the weak faith people, they are influenced by these people? So, most of the time, when they stay in it's actually the company, when they stay in the company of these people, and we know these people have negative thoughts, they have negative emotions, they display negative emotions, and they do negative actions. So these weak faith people, when they got pulled by these people, so they do the same thing what they do is, what the people of nafs-e-amara do. And why they got pulled by these people? Because of weak faith, number one. And the second reason is they left themselves unprotected. And we know we get the protection from the Satan when we stay in the state of ablution, when we do all the salahs, when we do all the azkars. So we stay in that protection. A dome, works around us. And Ibn Qayyim says that the morning and evening azkars, they actually build a wall around you which is stronger than the wall of Gog and Magog. So when they don't use that protection and they stay weak, and when they stay weak, they have the chances of being pulled by these people are more. And the final destination of these people is not a good place, it's a wretched place. Now, this person, and this person being pulled by this person, they together, when they work together, they generate a hostile environment, internal and external both. Within themselves, they are unhappy people, and outside they generate the same kind of vibrations. Remember, we talk about the nursing meta paradigm, which constitutes the person and the environment, and it also constitutes the health, and that's how you complete the meta paradigm. So basically, the environment, which is by their partnership, is hostile, created as hostile. It's hard to breathe in that environment. Come on the other side. When these people, because the battle is between this and this group. So when they are being attracted to these people, when they stay in the company of these people, when they follow their footprints, when they make them role models, they are the ones who have positive thoughts. They process the positive thoughts. These are the people who are connected to their creator, their owner, and their planner, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or Allah azza wa jal, most of the time. So when they stay connected, they remain in the state of purity, and they are attracted. These people got attracted, especially when they go in a distress, when they have sad and depressed moments, and when they listen to just some words from them, they got attracted to them, because somehow the holes and the imperfections and all the whatever this black side, somehow it needs to be filled by the positivity coming from this side. So together they generate a very, very good environment, which is not hostile. They display positive emotions, they think positive, they act positive, and then you can imagine the environment they constitute. And these are the people who actually, they will go to a very good place in the universe. That's the paradise. So either they go in the company of these people, they have to increase their faith no matter what. No matter what you have. Don't stay even in this stage for a long time. Okay. So we discuss all the three nafses, and we compare all the psychological comparisons we did, and we did how these people are being pulled here and being attracted over there. Inshallah, in my next videos, I will bring more stuff about the nafs, and especially we will go in the depth of this topic from the Holy Quran and Hadith. These are the two books, word-to-word translation of Al-Quran. It's available in goodworkbooks.com, and this is a Darus Salam publication of Tafsir Ibn Kathir. This is one of the very detailed tafsir of the Holy Quran, where you have a lot of the knowledge. So I will seriously recommend this tafsir. It should be in everybody's library. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta wa astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayhi. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.